Commanding deluge start.
Deluge running.
Readying GNC systems. Re-readying engines.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beginning pitch over. Stage 1, propulsion is nominal. Enter check run 1.
There it goes. Rocket Lab's 10th Electron has now left the pad and is on its way to space. With over 1 million horsepower at its back, running out of fingers will quickly reach the toughest point in its battle against physics, the moment known as maximum aerodynamic pressure, or Max 2. So let's check in on Electron's performance.
Enter check run 2. Vehicle is supersonic. Approaching max Q. Cleared max Q. Guidance is nominal.
We've made it past max Q, and Electron continues nominally. Soon the 9 Rutherford engines on Electron's first stage will shut down ahead of its separation from stage 2 and its descent back to Earth. It will be our first attempt at a guided atmospheric reentry of the booster, and we're hoping to be able to update you on how that goes after the mission. Once Stage 1 and Stage 2 have separated, the final vacuum-optimized Rutherford engine on Electron's second stage will come to life and propel Electron the rest of the way to orbit. Let's check back in on the operators in the lead up to stage separation and Stage 2 ignition.
Staging in 15 seconds.
Moving burn out to check mode.
Stage 1 MECO.
Stage separation succeeded.
Stage 2 ignition.
Recovery telemetry nominal.
Main engine cutoff is now confirmed, and Electron's first and second stages have successfully separated. Soon the fairing will separate and jettison from Electron's kick stage, so let's watch.
Altitude 104 kilometers.
Fairing separation succeeded.
Stage 2 propulsion is nominal.
Looks like we've had a successful jettison of the fairing. With that out of the way, we're now 50 minutes away from the start of our scheduled payload deployment. As you can see on your screens, Electron's second stage Rutherford engine continues to burn bright as it propels its payloads into orbit.
Stage 2 shutdown.
Vehicle is in transfer orbit. Apogee is 385.97 kilometers. Perigee is 186.01 kilometers. Inclination 97.01 degrees.
And we have confirmation of kick stage separation. Electron's running out of fingers mission is now orbital. As I mentioned at the beginning of the webcast, we won't have live footage of payload deployment scheduled approximately 45 minutes from now, but you can follow us on Twitter and Facebook for confirmation that all satellites have been deployed. Before we leave you, a final thank you to our mission partners for choosing to fly with us on our 10th Electron mission and final launch of 2019, and a massive congratulations to the Rocket Lab team on 10 flights. It's been a huge year for us with 6 orbital missions. We've got plenty to look forward to in 2020 with our first launch from LC2 in Virginia, the first launch of Photon, our customizable satellite bus, and of course our future recovery attempts of Electron. All this means there is